Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. Today we're working on the Audi A4, S4 and RS4. This is for the B8 platform, and I'm going to be showing you how to access your toolkit. You've probably had a look in your boot of your trunk, seen this big spare wheel here, looking for the toolkits around the side. You can't see it, it's not in either of the side compartments. Where is the toolkit in this car? So to access the toolkit, you've actually got to remove the spare wheel. So we've got this spindle in the centre, so we'll just get rid of that quickly. Put that to one side. Next, we want to carefully lift the spare wheel, lift it from the front, grab the centre of it, and then just lift up the back and carefully remove it from the car. So with the spare wheel out of the way, we can see we've got this plastic cover. And to remove this, just give it a bit of a wiggle, lift it straight up, and again, lift that out, put that to one side. And with that plastic cover removed, we can see we now have full access to your toolkit. So we've got everything in here. We've got your jack here, we've got your wrench there, underneath the wrench there. We have your tow eye, there's the handle for the wrench, we've got various screwdrivers, the little wheel tool in there as well, everything you could possibly need in the case of an emergency. So it may not be immediately obvious where that toolkit is hidden, but as you can see it's very quick to access once you know where it is. If this video was helpful for you, please be sure to hit the like button before you go, and please be sure to subscribe for hundreds more videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching guys, we'll see you again.